Congratulations! You've just completed your orthodontic treatment of braces. This is typically a long journey lasting anywhere from 1 to 3 years, but your perfect smile will be well worth it. While your teeth have been straightened, you now have a lifelong responsibility of keeping them that way by wearing a retainer. What is the best retainer after braces? We're going to look at a few options. First, the reason you wear a retainer after braces is because of elastic memory. Your teeth have this incredible feature that makes them want to return to their natural position no matter how much time has passed. It could be weeks or years since your braces have been off, but your teeth will want to creep their way back into position. The only way to prevent teeth from shifting is to wear a retainer. But what's the best retainer after braces? You have a few different choices for a retainer. Some retainers are Holly retainers, which are created from wires. These are a bit outdated, and it's uncommon to have your dentist craft you them. They still might, and if they do, just ask them why, because they probably will have a good answer for you. These Holly retainers are fixable, so if a wire breaks, your dentist could potentially fix it. They are a bit uncomfortable though, and are prone to becoming a germ and food magnet due to all the wire. The best retainer after braces is the one that you wear. Wearing a retainer is the most important thing to do once your braces are removed. It is the ultimate defense against your teeth shifting back, but the most popular retainer to wear are clear retainers. These can either be made from Essex or Zendora material. Both materials are premium, and your retainer will be crystal clear. These retainers are to be worn at night when you sleep, but the more you wear them, the more you will be protected. So if you wear them while driving or during work, that's a bonus. Whatever retainer you wear, it will eventually need to be replaced. They are not meant to last forever, and the material will begin to yellow or grow white spots from the bacteria that's inside your mouth, or your retainer might crack. It's important to have a backup on hand when this happens so you can wear one while your new set is made. The best retainer after braces can come from either your dentist or from SportingSmiles. If you get a retainer from your dentist, you'll have to schedule a visit and potentially need insurance or x-rays. It will also be a costly expense. With SportingSmiles, getting the best retainer after braces is easy. It's done 100% online. By ordering the patented impression kit, you'll take impressions from home and ship them back with free 3-way shipping. Once SportingSmiles receives your impressions, we'll craft you a premium clear set of retainers in our state-of-the-art dental lab. These are the same retainers you'd receive from the dentist, but at a fraction of the cost. You'll save time and money and receive retainers all from the comfort of your home. Keeping your teeth straight and in the perfect position should be your #1 priority after getting your braces off. If you don't, all that money that you spent goes down the drain. SportingSmiles can craft you the best retainer after braces, and for a very affordable price. If you're interested in ordering retainers from SportingSmiles, all you have to do is click the link below.